I remember the day I asked her to marry me. All I said was, "Will you marry me?" Walang long lines, walang thank you for anything, walang promises. I just got down to one knee and asked her, "Will you marry me?" A month before our wedding, she asked me kung bakit daw ang plain ng proposal ko. Hindi naman daw siya nagrereklamo. Hindi lang daw kasi yon yung ine-expect niya. I told her, I don't want to tell her things na she already know. Like how thankful I am for having her in my life and being with her. Kasi every day, I show it naman sa kanya and tell her just how thankful I am. I don't want to promise her anything as well because the future is out of my control. Like her, hindi ko din alam yung papasukin namin kapag kinasal na kami. Will it be the same thing, just legal sa lahat ng accounts and aspects ng pagsasama? Will things change kasi mag-iiba na din yung expectations namin sa isa't isa at sa buhay? Like her, I am just as clueless. So to limit both our expectations, I refuse to promise anything. Akala ko nga hindi niya ako maiintindihan. But she smiled at me and said, "Good answer." Siyempre nagtaka ako. Then she continued, "Good answer kasi I don't need a man who thinks he know everything. I need a man who is not afraid to face the unknown with me. Discover what life has to offer with me, and above everything else, a man who is not afraid to tell me that just like me, takot din siya sa kung anong meron sa hinaharap, but he is willing to face it with me." That's the conversation before our marriage. Now, 20 years of marriage, 2 kids, and still going strong. Ang sekreto ng marriage namin, the willingness to make it work since day one. Never naming pinangunahan ang bukas. We do what we can today, worry less about tomorrow, and take the lessons of the past as we go along. Ika nga nila. Yung willingness namin to make it work. Kung gusto, may paraan. Kung ayaw, maraming dahilan. That is a beautiful conversation between two people who clearly love each other. Obvious, diba? Kasi they are the type of person na hindi selfish. Na wouldn't do things just for clout, just for show. Lahat ng ginagawa nila, no matter how plain it may be, sa naked eye ng ibang taong nakatingin, para sa kanila may deeper meaning sa kada kilos nila. Just like yung proposal na "Will you marry me?" Sa panahon ngayon kasi pabunggahan na yung proposal eh. Proposal pa lang ang gastos na. 'Di ba? Proposal pa lang. Kailangan mo na ng preparasyon, nakaka-pressure. Tapos bukod pa doon yung sasabihin mo pa kapag nagpo-propose ka, kailangan meaningful. Kailangan sobrang nakaka-touch, sobrang emosyonal. Pero alam naman natin na at the end of the day, those promises, those words are empty without actions. 'Di ba? Na at the end of the day, yung mga ganun ka-flashy na klase ng simula doesn't guarantee an endless type of marriage. I'm not saying na wag niyong gawin yun kasi kung afford niyo naman, 'di ba? Who am I to pop your bubble, 'di ba? Kung afford mo naman yung ganong kabonggang proposal, yung ganun ka showy na kind of proposal and moment at sa tingin niyo naman deserve niyo yun sa isa't isa kasi parang within your personality, then go ahead. But if you are not like that, you don't have to be. Katulad na nga lang ng sinabi dito ni Alvin, Hindi mo kailangan yun kasi you cannot promise something that you cannot control. Instead of telling someone how thankful you are for them, how you appreciate them for one day, show it every single day. Kapag magkasama kayo, tell it to that person every single day. Kapag nag-uusap kayo, even when walang okasyon, even when hindi ka nagpro-propose. And just to give an emphasis of how good they are together. The girl liked the answer. Yung simplicity nung lalaki but meaningful behind those simple words. Nagustuhan siya nung girl kasi yung girl, hindi siya nag-expect ng isang lalaki na kaya na gawin lahat, na alam na yung gagawin. Gusto niya yung lalaki na katulad niya. Hindi din alam what the future holds, but is willing to discover it with her. And maybe yung sprinkle of mysteriousness ng kinabukasan, together with the willingness to make it work no matter what the future holds, ay dalawang magandang sangkap for a beautiful and long-lasting marriage. Kaya my love, if you are planning on binding yourself sa holy matrimony, sa sagradong kasal, just be sure that hindi ka man knowledgeable sa kung ano ang meron sa bukas ninyong dalawa. Buo ang loob mo na no matter what it is, haharapin mo yun kasama siya. Kasi the willingness to be together, kahit ano pang bagyo yung dumating, kahit ano pang unos yung dumapo sa inyo, that can ensure that your marriage will pull through. Yun yung magiging patunay na makakasurvive yung marriage ninyo kahit ano pa man ang meron. That one worked for Alvin. Obviously, it's 20 years of marriage. Still going strong. Hindi naman ibig sabihin nun wala silang fight, wala silang disagreements. Meron din siguro yun, my love, but yung since day one na ugali nila na let's make it work. Let's continue to work on it. Let's continue to fix it. Let's talk about it. Let's work through it. Siguro yung ganong klaseng mentality, behavior at characteristics nila is the foundation of their relationship. Kaya lahat na pag-uusapan nila. Kaya lahat siguro na iron out nila. Kasi both of them are willing to make it work. They don't have to promise it to one another. It's something that they know in their hearts na gagawin nila for one another. At yun siguro yung mas importante. Again, pagdating sa relasyon, kung gusto nyo pa yan talagang ayusin, kung gusto nyong magsama, kung pareho kayo na gusto nyong tumagal ang relasyon ninyo, may paraan. Pero kung pareho na ninyong ayaw, maraming dahilan. Klaro? Klaro.